Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Honda CB300R. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2019 Honda CB300R with 6,274 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Yoshimura exhaust, and we have installed a new front tire. Powered by a 286cc single-cylinder engine, the CB300R puts 31 horsepower and 20 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 2.7-gallon fuel capacity, the CB300R has a 175 to 200-mile range. It has a 31.5-inch seat height and a 317-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 6:30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the headlight pass button is inoperable and the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch across the right side cover. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile comprehensive warranty and continued 90-day, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the Program and Warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.